Alright, here is a little further explanation on number 5 here. So the first thing is just what is the name of this angle, or the first part of it is going to be looking for an equation that we can use to solve for x. But the first thing I'm going to do is to help us see this, I'm going to get rid of this line right here because it's meant to throw us off. So I'm going to try my best here just to erase this line here so we can see it a little bit better. And then we can see a relationship here, hopefully, right? Because now we just have two lines intersecting and these are opposite of one another. And so we have a relationship for that. We have this angle here and this angle here. And it follows this relationship up here, actually, where they have those lines intersecting and they're opposite of one another. Those are our vertical angles, and we know vertical angles are equal. So we can set up our equation by setting these two equal to each other. 10x plus 10 is going to be equal to the other angle, which is 110. And then from there we solve for x, and there's our equation, and then we're going to be able to solve for x, and we said the name of the relationship was going to be the vertical angles. And then the last part here, and I'm going to try to just clear the ink so we can see everything on this problem again. It's just looking for us to draw or label all of the straight angles, meaning we want to label all of the supplementary angles in this diagram. So I'm going to use green here to do one of them. So we can see that straight angles are, again, the supplementary ones, the ones that form a straight line. So one of them could be, in green here, this green angle. And it's sloppily drawn, but it's these angles that come together to form a straight line. So I want to see, in maybe different colors, all of the different straight angles, all the angles that combine to make straight lines in this diagram. I hope this video helps. Remember, anytime you have questions, feel free to reach out and email me.